this video, we're gonna be replacing the forks. We start by removing the wheels. Come on, quite easy. Push up the axle, the spacers, put them on the table. Next thing, remove the old forks. For this, I'm going to use a torque key because you need to apply some force to loosen this bolt. As you can see, the tool is bending because it's really tight. Next, I'm going to remove them entirely. Now, since there's a little grease inside here, we're going to remove that and clean the thread if there's anything in there. For this, I'm using an old rag and some petrol for cleaning stuff, and just clean it off. I'm going to take a Torx 25 just to get the thread inside cleaned off. Next, I'll be applying quite a lot of Loctite medium strength to the thread, just like that. And I'm gonna mount the new axles. They're supposed to go all the way in. Now I'm gonna put in a 6mm bit. That's Allen wrench. Put the torque to about 1.3 kilograms or 30 Newton meters of torque and tighten it down. If there's any excess glue, take your cloth and remove it. There's a little bit down here, so it's clean. Next, I'm gonna take the new forks, and they're quite a bit different, as you can see. Put them on like this. Then we're gonna get a different kind of bolt. Put on a spacer, a special spacer, and a small thin spacer. It's supposed to look like this, times 2 of course. Then we're gonna apply a little more Loctite and the thread that lies beneath the hex. This side as well. I'm gonna switch bit to my Torx 25. I'll set the torque down to about 5 Newton meters and insert it here and tighten it down slowly at first. That should do the trick. There's supposed to be a little play on the fork after this operation. Then I put my wheels back on, big spacer on the outside. Then an axle. And to center it, I use my Torx bit or screwdriver, whatever you have in hand, to catch it and make it go through. And it's supposed to come out here like this and a bit in there. Again, big spacer on the outside. I was lucky. We take the two nice looking spaces, throw out the old, and use a pair of new ones with new glue on. Then I use the hand bit because I like it. You can do this by machine if you prefer, and start it. You can put your hand or your thumb on the other side to prevent it from turning. And finally, I'm going to tighten it down with the same force as before. That's 5 Newton meters. And then we're finished.